2025 is ending and the task is coming into 2026. If you are not careful, your money could lose value. Stick with me till the end. I will reveal one low risk investment most people miss that can protect your money before the end of the year. Welcome back. My name is Juliet from Finspoke. Before we dive in, remember, low risk does not mean no risk. Every investment has trade-off. What is safe in one country may be riskier in another country because of inflation, currency charges, or regulations. Always research your local rules, taxes, and instruments. And if you are new here, subscribe. I share simple, practical ways to help you grow and protect your money. What is low risk investment? Low risk investment is an investment that aims at protecting your money while giving moderate, steady returns. Here you trade high gain for stability. And the example of these low risk investments are government bonds, savings account, and the stable dividend stocks. Despite being low risk investment, I want you to understand that they still have risk like inflation, currency charges, or fees. All of these things are just little risk attached to it. Remember, capital preservation first and the growth second. The first low risk investment I want to talk about is high yield savings and deposit account. A high yield savings or deposit account is one of the most simplest and the safest way to invest and grow your money. What this simply means is that you deposit your money and earn interest per annum. Remember, this is different from your normal savings account. For instance, some banks in Nigeria offer 10 to 17% interest per annum. And what this simply means is that if you deposit, for instance, 100,000 naira per annum, you will be earning up to 10 to 17,000 naira per annum. This is just one of the most simplest and the safest way. A quick tip on this: if your intentions is for growth, reinvest your interest. But if your intentions is for income for the moment, withdraw your interest. Remember to manage your investment and spread your risk. Next is government securities and treasury bills. Government securities like treasury bills and bonds are safe because they are backed by government. They have government backup. Even as the year is ending, you can still pick one short option available now and cash out by the end of the year. It's possible. Let me explain. A 35-day treasury bill purchased today, 5th of November, matures early December. You see, you earn interest safely before 2026 tax charges. Most people will stop watching here. Hold on. The next option is the one most people overlook. It is capable of maximizing safety and returns if done correctly. Keep watching. Next, money markets and mutual funds. Money market funds pool your money with others and invest in short-term instruments. They are liquid, so you can redeem them before the end of the year. For instance, an investment you make today can be redeemed before 31st of December this year. And with that, you just lock in your gains safely. Now, the next strategy seems risky to some people, but when done right, it becomes a surprising safe way to grow your money. Don't worry, I will explain how in just a moment. Next, low risk stocks and ETFs. Even stocks can be low risk if you focus on stable dividend paying blue chip companies or low volatility ETFs. Your goal should be steady growth plus dividend income and not chasing hot tips. You can buy shares in a reliable or global companies and start growing your investment income from there. Beginners friendly portfolio tips as a bonus. As a beginner, here is a friendly, simplified investment allocation for you. You can invest 30% goes to fixed deposits and savings, 30% goes to government securities and treasury bills, 20% goes to money markets and the mutual funds, 10% goes to low risk stocks and ETFs, and the 10% extra safety buffer or emergency cash. This spread risk and steady returns and keep your money flexible. Here is the bonus tip I promised at the beginning of this video. Diversification is not about spreading money across options or instruments. It's about timing your exits, selecting instruments strategically, and acting before tax change takes effect. Remember, even if you do everything else perfectly, missing this step can reduce your return significantly. And that's why smart investors act wisely. Here is tips to protect your money. Low risk isn't equal to no risk. Always consider inflation. Avoid too good to be true offers. And monitor and adjust your investments regularly. Is very important. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Comment the low risk investment you will try before the end of the year and tell me your country. I will make content tailored towards your location. Till I come your way next time, thank you for watching. Join Finspoke